Hello and welcome to Allure Hermann Park. Today we are at the 2 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. I'm gonna with the kitchen. All included with the stainless steel appliances. The countertop are made out from granite. Okay. And there's many spaces in here with lots of drawers.
Yeah, what I like about this too is whenever you're at the sink, you have a really good view of this looks out towards like the ship channel view, but you can see for miles and miles. We're on the 27th floor.
Yes.
And then they do have a nice bar here for a couple of bar stools.
I think it'll fit 4.
It would fit 4. It's very, very long.
Yes, it'll fit 4. Yeah, it'll fit 4.
So I like how it's a smaller kitchen, but when you're doing dishes or you're over the sink, you're able to see and have a really good view that looks over everything.
They have a really good floor to ceiling glasses to see.
They do. Now that's what I like is the views are amazing because it does go all the way from floor to ceiling, so you feel like you have a lot more space than you actually do. Right.
And then over here we have the half bath or the powder room. Wood style flooring from the entry to the living room. We're going to the guest bedroom or the secondary bedroom. The bedroom, the floor is made of carpet. And this is the closet.
This would be a queen.
Yeah, it's a queen size.
So, very good. And then also, again, another floor to ceiling window. This one looks across to it's the same property actually, but it has really good views down there of the pool.
Yeah.
This does look over 59, and we're looking towards Minute Maid Park right now, the George R. Brown. So it's a really good views. And then over to the left, we do have Hermann Park. There's the golf course right there, and then out towards the medical center. So really good views.
Okay, I'm taking them to the bathroom.
Okay, let's go into the secondary bathroom.
Yes. It has the granite countertops, a lot of spaces below. It's under mount, tile flooring, good size bathtub.
Yeah, it's a good size garden tub. And then that tile is very easy to clean. It's the big blocks there. So yeah, very nice.
Living room, kitchen, we're going straight into the primary bedroom or the master. Again, it is made out of carpet flooring.
Yes, carpet tile.
Flooring.
That would be different. That would be very different.
With the great view here.
Yeah, this one is again looking down onto going out to 288 and looking towards the ship channel, towards Clear Lake as well, but I mean you can see for miles. So it has the same view as the living room. Oh, and there's a brand new HEB right there. I had no idea. So
that's pretty big too.
If you're a fan of HEB, it's right across the street, which is really nice.
I'm a fan of HEB.
I'm a big fan of HEB. We love HEB.
Yes.
That I guess we need to charge HEB for that advertisement.
Here's a walk-in closet.
Yeah.
It's pretty good size.
Yeah, I mean it's got some good storage area there.
Yeah. And then we go into the bathroom. Okay. It is granite countertop with undermount sink.
The double vanity.
And then again with the
so that's the same size as the other garden tub. It's basically the same size, except this one has a double sink. Same flooring with the tile. Don't get confused with the tile carpeting.
That was me. Walkthrough, right?
Yeah, this is a nice walkthrough. I mean, this is a 2-bedroom.
2 bath and a half.
2 bath and a half. It has a good sized powder room as we look back and towards the kitchen.
Yes.
Has a good tile backsplash, everything you need there. So yeah, guys, we appreciate you joining us today through this walkthrough.
Yes.
A little bit shorter than usual, but the location is everything on this one. The views are amazing. You don't feel like you're closed in at all. So the medical center right downstairs basically, and then you got great access to Minute Maid Park.
Yeah.
And of course, like we showed, HEB, so that's a new grocery store in the area. So very, very convenient, minutes away from downtown.
Yeah, it's a walking distance to the Houston Zoo,
Yes,
the medical center.
absolutely. Yeah, you can literally walk off this property and be at Houston Zoo, walking to Houston Zoo with 10 to 15 minutes.
Yes.
So guys, for all your apartment leasing needs, be sure to contact Vienna Lee. Her information will be included below. Please leave a comment below and let us know how you like this space. If you're looking for this area or you're looking for another area, Vienna can definitely help you with a seamless transition from wherever you're moving from. If you're moving from an apartment or a house, we can find those properties for you. As you see on the channel, we have many apartments on here that we've done actual walkthroughs. We have great relationships with the property management, so we can help you every step of the way
Yes.
through the leasing process.